Stop. Don't treat your eyes without this warning. Hey there. Have you ever felt a little itch in your eye and reached for whatever eye drop was lying around? Or worse, took a friend's advice and used their prescription eye meds? Yeah, we need to talk. Let's talk about dangers of ocular self-medications. What is ocular self-medication? Ocular self-medication is when you treat an eye problem without consulting an eye care professional. It might seem harmless, but it can lead to severe consequences. Common mistakes people make. Let's talk about what people are doing wrong and why it's dangerous. 1. Using leftover antibiotics from past infections. 2. Sharing eye drops with others. 3. Relying on over-the-counter products for red eyes without knowing the cause. 4. Using herbal or DIY remedies from the internet. The hidden dangers. Now here's where it gets serious. 1. Worsening the condition. You might treat the wrong issue entirely. Say you're using anti-allergy drops for an infection. That's like putting a Band-Aid on a bullet wound. 2. Delayed proper treatment. By masking symptoms, you delay seeing a professional. And when you finally do, it might be too late. 3. Resistance and complications. Using antibiotics improperly. That fuels antibiotic resistance, and your body might not respond when you really need them. 4. Damage to your eyes. Steroid drops, when misused, can cause glaucoma, cataracts, or even blindness. Yes, blindness. Real talk. Not all eye problems are the same. Red eyes, blurry vision, itching, these can all look alike, but the causes are totally different. Allergies, infections, dry eye, foreign bodies. Only a trained eye doctor can truly tell them apart. So what should you do instead? Simple. Don't guess. Don't self-prescribe. Go see an optometrist or ophthalmologist. And if you can't see a specialist right away, use clean water to rinse the eye and avoid using anything not prescribed for your current condition. Your eyes are precious. You only get 2 of them, so don't take risks by playing doctor. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more health tips that keep your vision strong and your future bright. Good vision and health.